Hey guys, a very good afternoon and welcome again to another live trading session with me and Market Potentials. Now, if you're entirely new to this, we have a very exciting thing going on at the moment. Today is day 2 of our 5 days challenge, where I literally show you guys, with you looking over my shoulder, how we can earn a consistent and profitable return from trading binary options. Now guys, the platform I'm using is called 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗅. It's one of the more reputable and well-known platforms out there. I've personally been using these guys for almost 5 to 6 years now. You want complete access to the same platform I'm doing, the sign up link is down below, so just go ahead, hit that, and if you've got that signed up and all, you can actually follow through on the same trade that I'm doing. So coming back to the 5 days challenge that we've got going on at the moment. It's all about showing you, especially if you're a beginner, how you can earn significant income from trading binary options. Now, in today's afternoon's case, today's the 28th of April, guys. This is a live timestamp. Again, this is a live trading account that I've got that you're looking at. I'm looking to trade the British pound versus the US dollar. That is the forex pair, and I'm going to be trading it in a binary option setting. Now, again, you do have many other instruments you can trade on this platform as well. So you've got binary options, you've got digital options, you've got forex pairs, stocks. You can even trade Tesla, Apple stocks, etc., cryptos, commodities, ETFs. So you've got a whole bunch of stuff on this, guys. All right. But I have been, in particular, very interested, and I have been doing the binary option trading part of it for the better part of close to about 3 years now. Now, if you ask me why not the rest, well, simply because the returns that you stand to gain from here. So in today's case, just one successful trade, I stand to pocket 73% return, guys. Okay, that is very unusual. All right, you know what? Since while I talk to you, I've just gone ahead and put in the trade. So I've put in $300 in this trade right now. And on a successful outcome, I stand to pocket 73% return, as I mentioned. So that's $219 if the trade works out my way. So we've got just about 10 seconds or so left to see how the trade is going to pan out. Tad bit marginal there, but I can see it strengthening. So let's see, probably another second or two, and we are in the money, guys. All right. So that's objective for day number 2 accomplished. $219 in the pocket. Okay, so that's $219. As I told you, today was day 2. The goal as we started off trading was to earn $200. I've just got $219 in my bank account as we speak. Entirely doable, and I just did it like in a couple of minutes. Okay. So to recap, I'm sorry because as it's a live trade, I kind of have to jump into the trade if I need to while talking to you. Trust me, it's not as fun as it sounds to be, because I'm literally doing a lot of things as I'm talking to you guys here. So let me tell you a reason why I jumped into the trade. Now, the basis of all of my trades, especially if you're a beginner to this and you still have no idea what's going on, I trade on what's called technical analysis. Basically, I rely on technical indicators to forecast trends and predict a pattern that's emerging, for instance. Okay, so I've got very basic technical indicators, guys. I mean, for those of you who are new and you're looking at this and wondering what in the world is this, trust me, I have been there, and I thought the same thing that you probably are at this moment. But all you really got to do is just put in a little bit of effort to try and understand what these indicators are all about, and you'd have a much better understanding. Of course, you do need to practice, build a bit of experience, confidence, and so on. So in the first top part here, what you've got, all this red line and the yellow line, etc. This is the Bollinger Bands. All right, so Bollinger Bands kind of give you a prediction of a range, an expected norm of the chart movement. And typically, if it, in this case, if it goes outside the line, it's kind of what considered a sudden movement or an unexpected movement. So you can expect some correction, or something to come along. All right. The rest of it down here, like the awesome oscillator, MACD and the momentum indicators are all entirely trend indicators, guys. That's all that really is. They are all just trend indicators. All right. So let me tell you a little bit about how you can use this. What I actually look for is like things like a sudden spike. When things like a sudden spike happens, for instance, right, then you can expect corrections to happen as well. So like looking back, in this case, you can see like a gradual increase, for instance, okay? But typically, if it's a uptick that's very sudden, then you can expect it to correct. So these are the kind of things that I rely on and look for when making a trade. All of these indicators that I just talked about are accessible via the popular, tab here. So just go ahead and, this Bollinger Band, oscillator, MACD, momentum, all of this is accessible for free once you sign up to the platform. So the sign up link is down below, so go ahead and do that if you want to. I would very much appreciate a subscribe on the channel and a like on this video as well. So, it'll just encourage me to produce content like this. Again, to recap, this is day number 2 of our 5 days challenge, where I show you over 5 days how we can incrementally increase our return from trading binary options with $100, just $100 a day. All right. So yesterday, day 1, to recap, we earned $100. Today is day number 2. And we've just made $219 with the goal to just earn a $200 for day 2. We've met that, we've accomplished that. And tomorrow, day number 3 will come right along and we'll be doing $300 days instead. So you want to follow me in this trade, guys, don't forget, sign up for your account, hit that subscribe button so you're aware when my next video is up and you can follow through on the trade as well. Again, to recap, all of my trades are live. You're watching this with screen recording that I've got, and you're actually seeing my trades as I make them. All right. So if you're an action taker, I do invite you to start this journey of investing and trading and making a much comfortable living for yourself by earning a significant portion of income simply from trading online. All right. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video, day number 3, guys. I've met the objective for today, so I'm going to call it a day, all right? Take care in the meantime. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.